Investors who enjoy computer games, this is the movie for you. CD Projekt has a couple of problems within last year, with cyberpunk issues and cyber attack on the company. Now the stock price is trading on very low levels. Let's see when it has a potential to start to increase. Let's go through the fundamental analysis and technical analysis of the stocks. CD Projekt. So based on the snowflake analysis, you can see that this company is very strong. Regarding share price versus fair value, it is on around 60% undervalued. Regarding price to earnings, it's very low. It's a little bigger than market, but it's twice less than industry. So basics on this multiplier, we can say that its stocks are very cheap. Price to book is bigger than industry and market. It's not a very good thing because the price to book ratio must be lower than industry and market, which means that the company is very cheap. But regarding this situation, it's not very cheap. Earnings and revenue history showed us very high increase from the last year, and now it's going flat. Let's see what will happen next, but basics on this historical data, we can say that the company has a lot of money. Regarding past earnings growth analysis, for the past 5 years, this company had 25% comparing to industry which had just 23%. And from the last 1 year, the company increased by 338%, while industry increased by 55%. This are very good data. Regarding return to equity, it's several times bigger than return to equity of industry. So it's a very good thing. Financial position analysis, you can see that short-term assets are bigger than short-term liabilities and bigger than long-term liabilities. And long-term assets are bigger than long-term liabilities. So comparing to this data, we can say that the company manages the money very well. Regarding debt to equity history, you can see that this company doesn't have any debt, and equity is increasing within past 6 years, even 7 years. Of course, this company doesn't pay dividend continuously. It paid dividend in 2017, 2018, in 2019. Last dividend was on April 2021, and now we can expect the next dividends in June. What about technical analysis? I will open CDR ticker symbol, and I will open monthly time frame. You can see that from the last 10 years, the stock price was growing up until September 2020. What happens there? CD Projekt wanted to release its game Cyberpunk, but because of some issues, a lot of investors finished to believe in this company and started to sell its prices. So that's why we can see from the last 9 months that its stock price decreased by 62%. It's a lot, it's a crash. But as you know, after each crash, stock markets usually go up. So, based on this data and based on Ishimoku Cloud, we can see that the price pushed its Ishimoku Cloud, but it cannot crash it. From the last month, the candle closed with hammer candle, and now it's creating the green candle which is going up. Especially for me, I don't think that this price will go up continuously. 2 days ago there were news that CD Projekt lost a lot of private data during a cyber attack, and probably something will go wrong with its stocks. What do I mean? I mean that it can be a correction below the current levels. Of course, we can see something like reversal based on the daily time frame, but after each reversal the stock price needs to have retests. So that's why we can expect that after it pushed the Ishimoku clouds here, or this is the very powerful resistance level, so when it's reached this level it can go down. If it go down, we can expect that after placing the Fibonacci retracement here, after that we can expect that its stock price will go until this level, 181 Polish zlotys, and then it can go up. So I will type here, I will draw here the path of my forecast, and the first highest point is here on 230 Polish zlotys. Based on RSI oscillator on monthly time frame, I cannot see the oversold area because RSI oscillator didn't reach at least 30%. But based on weekly time frame, we can see that RSI oscillator is already reached 30% in RSI oscillator, and that's why it's going up. If you are an American investor and you don't have the access to CDR ticker symbol, you can follow OTGLY ticker symbol and you can invest here and following to CDR ticker symbol. So in conclusion, I can say that this stock is already prepared to go up. But to not have any surprises, I recommend you to invest with stairs. For example, if you invest the small portion, for example 20% from your position, from the first level, and the price will go down, don't be afraid. You can invest the next 20%, for example 8% lower than the current price, and you can make the average. I think that CD Projekt price will not trade on these levels every time. It has a potential to go up because of good fundamental analysis. This is not a financial recommendation. If you want to invest in this stock, I recommend you to make your own analysis and take your own decision, because only you is responsible for your money. If you are looking for a platform where to buy stocks, you can register in Trading 212 and put my promo code after the registration, and you will receive one free stock up to $100. If you like this video, put your thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I wish you successful investments and see you next time. Bye!